Protec engineered luxury vinyl flooring with the Unifit locking mechanism is one of the quickest and easiest vinyl floors to lay. To prepare and level the subfloor so it would be suitable for an engineered vinyl floor, we laid a 6mm plyboard overlay. The planks were pre-cut and dry fitted prior to installation. Choosing Protec will save you time and money due to the speed of installation. It took just 23 minutes to fit Protec vinyl flooring to the 15 square metre room. 100% waterproof with a 30-year commercial warranty and a lifetime residential warranty. Make Protec your first choice for flooring.